Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to have multiple pages on Strawpage. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm over here on my Strawpage. You can see I've got multiple pages here. I've got page 1, page 2, page 3. Now, to get multiple pages, we need to come back to our editor. So head on over to the straw.page. Then from here, we want to go and click on go to your dashboard, or we can log into your account on the top right hand corner of our page. Then from here, we need to click on the edit. So edit that site where you'd like to add in multiple pages. Now from here, we want to click on the three horizontal lines and click onto pages, and you can see all your pages are going to appear like so. So I've got page 1, page 2, but I haven't put in the page 3 yet. So click onto add new page. Now I'm going to click on page 3. Like so, and click on OK, and that's going to add that page in. Now I need to link that page with page 3 because at the moment it doesn't do that. So I want to click onto page 3. Then from here I want to find link. Now I want to link page 3 to that, so you can see page 3 is linked. Now click on the cross. Then I need to go ahead and click on the cross again and make sure to save it. So I want to publish my site. Now if I go back and open up my site here, those changes should have been made. If I click on page 3, that's going to take me to page 3.